For as low as 15,000 pesos reservation, your home is waiting. Here in First Park Homes, it has 4 property models available. Calista End, corner unit with larger lot, 60.5 square meter and 40 square floor area. Calista Mid, mid-cluster unit, 40 square meter floor area and 44 square meter lot. Calista Pair combines 2 adjacent units for 80 square meter floor area on and 104.5 square lot area, ideal for growing families. And our newest property, Una, which is a single attached, a standalone with 88 square meter floor area and 54 square lot available. So, whether you are living alone, a couple, or a growing family, this property is for you. Get a home where you can pay up to 30 years from now. Inquire today for more details.